Hello students, how are you? I think you will safe at home and we are same for you. As we know that the entire world is passing through very critical situation due to COVID-19. So stay at home and enjoy to watch the videos of Math, English, Science. If any kind of doubts will create in your brain, you can ask from the teachers, from Bhagwan sir, and we shall try to solve all those problems which you have already felt after reading the concept of sentence. So we have studied three kinds of sentence before this class. In previous classes we have already taught kinds of sentence and before kind of sentence we have studied the definition of sentence and we have understood the definition of sentence. Sentence means a complete sentence. Sentence means a complete sentence. Whenever you get then you can tell the sentence, this is sentence. If the complete sense is not giving in the sentence, that means I mean to say that is not sentence. So always have to focus on complete sense if the sentence is given. So through that classification you can better understand the sentence and the other part. And number two, we have studied a statement, and in a statement we have studied positive and negatives. And number two, interrogative or questions we have studied already. And number three, imperative sentence we have already taught in previous class. So all those sentences we have to read, we have to learn, because it's very very necessary. Imagine that whenever you will form the sentence, and if you have no any idea about these kinds of structure, these kinds of sentences, then you will feel a lot of problems. So I want to give you advice, don't take it easy and follow it accurately on right time. Understand? Now today we shall discuss about exclamatory sentence and how we shall understand this is the sentence is relating with exclamatory sentence. Okay? So today we shall read exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. Expresses a strong feeling. Okay, a strong feeling. It always ends with ends with sign of exclamation. Sign of exclamation. ओके, साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लामेशन, ये देखिए, दिस इज द साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लामेशन। हिंदी में जैसे आप लोग पूर्ण विराम पढ़ते हैं ना, इसको खड़ी पाई भी बोलते हैं, तो ये पूर्ण विराम जैसा साइन रहेगा और नीचे उसके डॉट लगे रहेंगे। एंड दिस काइंड्स ऑफ साइन इज नॉन एज साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लामेशन, दैट मीन्स एक्सक्लामेशन मार्क्स। So what I have written, exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. It always ends with a sign of exclamation, with the sign of exclamation. Understand? Any doubt? Any question? No. Some example I want to write on the board, and through examples we shall try to understand to exclamatory sentence. Okay? Just like I am writing a example, how beautiful you are looking. How beautiful you are looking. Number 2 example, what a tasty lunch. What a tasty lunch. LUNCH. This is example number 2. This is example number 1. How beautiful you are looking. What a tasty lunch. Understand? What an idea. Example number 3. What an idea. What an idea. And all those sentences are ending with sign of exclamation. That means mark of exclamation, and this is known as exclamation marks. Clear? So expresses as a strong feeling whenever you will get in the sentence. That means you can tell the sentence is already in the form of exclamatory sentence. So through definition we have to explain exclamatory sentence. If you remember the definition of exclamatory sentence, then I can tell you will have no any problem in future, and you will understand very easily the concept of exclamatory sentence, and there will be no any problem whenever you will be in exclamatory sentence. So exclamatory sentence में always expresses as a strong feeling होगा, और lastly आपको sign of exclamation मिलेगा। तो उससे आप समझ जाएंगे कि strong feeling भी है और sign of exclamation भी है, तो ये exclamatory sentence ही है। Clear? So dear student, you have studied according to the standard of class 5 the kinds of sentence, and I mean to say in all circumstances you will have to remember the definition of the sentences like a statement or declarative, number 2 interrogative and questions, number 3 imperative or commands, and number 4 exclamatory. And number 2, the definition you will have to learn because it will help you to understand the sentences, and after that you feel no any problem in the part of sentence. If any kind of problem in sentence part, then you can ask. So the sentence part is finished, and we have to do some work according to the definition. We have to analyze the sentences are related from which part. Either the sentence is relating from declarative or a statement. If the sentence is related from there, that means the sentence will be positive or negative, either positive or negative. That two parts we have to classify according to the definition of declarative and a statement. And number 2, question, that means ending with sign of interrogation, and it is must for interrogative sentence. The sentence begins with helping verb or WH plus helping verb, and at last sign of interrogation. It is must, you will find, and through that concept you can better understand the sentences relating from interrogative. So the interrogative sentence is very very important also. And number 3, command, और देहाती भाषा में मैंने समझाया था कि दुनिया में जितना भी सेंटेंस है जो वर्ब से स्टार्ट होते हैं वो इम्पेरेटिव होता है, और एग्जाम्पल के माध्यम से भी आप समझ लेंगे। तो थोड़ा वर्ब फॉर्म आपको याद करना है, तो टेंस में जाएंगे तो हम लोगों को मिलेगा, बहुत सारे बच्चे वर्ब फॉर्म जानते भी हैं, उसको घर में बैठ करके 2-4 करके लर्न करते रहो आप। ओके, नंबर 4, एक्सक्लामेटरी, एंड एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस एक्सप्रेसेस a strong feeling. It always ends with an exclamation mark, and I have already mentioned the sign of exclamation. So it is very very important, and you have to understand, and you have to read, and you have to do the exercise. So through exercise you can better understand how the sentences work and how you shall classify all those kinds of sentences. Okay, thanks.